It's spring, and nature is teasing us. This is a weird way of bringing in the first full day of spring. Yesterday was official first day of spring, but weird. It's building up pretty good. Well, that's puts a damper in homesteading plans for the day. I like to work outside a lot. I'm still regaining my strength from before, so I'm still being careful and taking it slow and easy. But it's coming down pretty heavy. I don't know what today's going to bring, but it looks like it's going to bring a lot of white. I have to go and take the trailer back, the U-Haul, and then we still got to empty the Jeep, and then I'm going to work on building some more shelves in that shop, get the products up, and hopefully put things away and organize things, get all the extra lumber out of there. So, let's see what today brings. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Snowy Project. Over here on the entertainment center, we have the chickens barricaded because the cats want to eat them. The little chickens are in the in a cat carrier for now, and it's very convenient because it's the babies. It's durable, and we've got them just totally barricaded in for their safety. And then Michelle, she plays with them all day, but at nighttime, yeah, at nighttime we put them up here so they can't be knocked down. Hey everybody. Well, the sun sort of tried to come out a little, but they melted some of the snow. But you can see there's quite a ground covering now where it was all cleared off. It was a good inch buildup and wet. It was wet though. And then some of it burnt off, but it got cold. Last I looked, it was 25 degrees. It's going to be 6 tonight. So I've been working inside the shed on and off all day and processing some sales. We did a bunch of sales. The what's going on in the world right now is influencing our sales. So it doesn't look like much, but I've been inventorying products and sorting. And that's, you know, it's not an exciting homestead day for video, but it has to be done because this is providing a source of income for our family here on our own homestead, and that is valuable and very important, especially in these times that we're going to go through here. So we have to really put our time and effort into this. So this is definitely going to be one of our main sources of income now. And to protect it, I've got a propane tank out here, and my heater that I had back in my motorhome back in the days. I've got that heater, and some of you will recognize it, my Mr. Heater from back in the camper and the motorhome days. I've had this for a lot of years. The one that I bought new long ago, I still have somewhere around. I don't know where, but it quit working. And this one, and that was in the motorhome. This one I had bought for I think $10 or $20 at a garage sale. And it still works. And yeah, I've still been using it all these years. In the past, I've been using it in the electronics lab or hunting. It's a great little heater to take hunting. But now it's serving us here. It's going to keep our products from freezing tonight. We have a lot of liquid and canned products, and so that's a necessity to keep our products from freezing. So a can will last me I think 3 nights on low. Maybe 6. I can't remember. It's been so long since I used it full time. Might have been 6 on low and 3 on high. But anyway, a can of gas, can of propane right now, you can get for $6, $7, $8 if you get it on sale. So it's definitely worthwhile to spend a couple dollars a night to protect all of our food. So there's a lot of liquids in here, and we just don't want to lose it. I was thinking a lot of it's salty, very salty, but and it won't freeze as easily. But then we do have some juices and some liquid stuff, one of which I'm going to take in and drink. This one's dented, so I'm going to drink it. We don't sell dented products. That got dented in the move, and we don't sell them, so that's going to be used. But yeah, we don't want any of the liquids to freeze. So anyway, I think my own breath is steaming up the camera. But that's it today. Just working in the store, doing up inventory, processing sales, and trying to improve our lives here. So I was going to build another set of shelves, but it's really been bitter cold, and I had a lot of inventory work to do, and that just took up my day, and that is what it is. Took the trailer back this morning. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but I dropped off some stuff, and that was it. So day is over. Still got a lot of products to get on the shelves and more shelves to build, but you know, there'll be more days, and we're hunkering down in the homestead for the duration. And I'm going to do a video about that later, about our plans for waiting this out. And check out my tactical channel, because I do have some videos coming up about what I think people could do to help them get through, and what I think we're going to be getting into, and how long. And I'm going to be picking up some supplies this weekend. It'll be our last trip out. I'm going to get the stuff out of the store, the old store, and bring it in here, my office stuff, office equipment. We've got all our products, but I'm going to get my office equipment. And we're going to get some other provisions if they're still available. And then we're done. That's it. We're going to be here, and we're going to stay here on the homestead for the duration. So anyway, guys, that's it. Cold, wintry, snowy first days of spring homestead. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. The day is over. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient. Running our own business on our own homestead is definitely part of being self-sufficient. And off the grid, on a budget. Talk to y'all later.